Sir Melbourne's official. Dan tamsak sa upcoming premiere isa. So next is Road Trip Part 2 sa Melbourne's. So ayan guys, to upcoming premiere Melbourne's done already thumbs up. Ayan guys. Sis Bibs Limbas, thank you so much. Sis Anisita, thank you. Big Mingalab, shout out too. So ayan guys, connect each other na lang guys. Ano mata ko? Thank you Big. I read already. So ayan, nakatambay na lang ang mga laga ko guys. Ayan. Ayaw na nila kasing mag. So ayan, thank you so much all guys. Ang ganda ng weather guys, so grabe. Ayan, may puno dito. Kaya ayan, dito ako nakatambay sa puno. Para hindi mainit. Mainit ang ating ayan. Nagda-dry yung lips ko sa Thank you guys, Big Kalantas TV Vlog. In what place are you host? In SG or of Hong Kong? I'm here in Hong Kong, Sir Vic Kalantas. Happy weekend, Sis Chris Montijo TV, Sis Lilian, Mikalab shout out. Thank you so much. Happy weekend everyone. So, ayan guys, 58 minutes na tayo. So, lapit na tayong mag-ano. Sisti Sanitsita, mag-shoutout na lang ako guys para mag-end na ako. Mag-shoutout tayo. Mag-shoutout tayo. Sis Bibs Lin Bahas, thank you so much sis. Ano ba yan? Mahina ang signal ko. Di lumalabas ang comment dito guys. Oh. Di ko lumalabas. Ayan. Vic Kalantas Montijo, shout out. Done watching and dikit to your lit. Wrap a sandwich. So ayan sis Chris Montijo. Nakadikit na daw sa'yo si Vic Kalantas TV Vlog. Thank you so much guys. Mel so much. Sis Chris Montijo TV. Thank you so much. Sis Lorraine Anyana channel, thank you so much. And Sis Nick, thank you so much. Sis Chris TV channel, Sis Marian Chris TV, thank you so much. Sis, sino pa kanina dito? Thank you so much all guys nandito sa aking live. Mitch Mix Vlog, thank you so much. Sino pa kanina? Yung ma-scroll ko lang. Sis Anisita, ayan lang. Hindi na ma-scroll yung iba. Sa lahat sa aking live, thank you so much all guys for the love and support. And please please like, subscribe my YouTube.